everyone, in today's video let's learn how to draw a baby cartoon elephant. Let's start with the eyes. Let's draw two small circles for the eyes, and let's complete defining the eyes for the eyeballs. Now let's draw the trunk of the elephant. Let's give a U-bend for the trunk and taper it down for the other side, so that defines the trunk. Alright, now let's draw some lines to define the trunk muscles. Now let's shade the eyeballs and define the eyebrows. Okay, keep two dots and make the smiley mouth of the elephant. Okay, now let's keep two dots beneath there. So you know why I'm doing it? Because I need to know whether I'm doing it at the same level. So now join them to make the head part and complete the face like how I'm doing. The elephant has big ears, window-like ears. So let's draw the big ears of the elephant. The other window. Let's complete defining the ears. So the ears are done. Now let's draw the thick legs of the elephant. So let's define the leg part, and I'm giving the bend for the legs. See, we are drawing the sitting posture of the elephant. So let's complete that. Alright, so the leg part, two legs are done. So how will the other legs be if it is sitting down? It will be like a teddy bear on both the sides. Draw two circles near the legs. Just keep dots to define that. Join them with the body. So that makes the other two legs. Okay, join the body part and define the nails of the elephant. Ding 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 ding. Alright, so now let's draw the knee muscles, the lines for the knee muscles. Now the elephant is complete almost, but there's one part left. You have to draw the hair of the elephant. Let's draw that as well. Ding 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 ding. Alright, now color it. The elephant is done.